I think it's probably the same receive module used on this one. Yeah, I've got one of those units here as well. But I think this is intended to be used as a sort of low power cable driving type of system. It's 80 milliwatts RF out, and it's tunable over the whole of the 13 SEMS band and a bit beyond each side.
Excellent. How is it tuned? It's not done by a pick or anything, is it?
It is actually, yeah.
Oh, it is. So what you've got to do, you've got to program a pick.
It's got little. Well, it comes. This is it, complete. The pick's on the board.
Oh, I see. And that is what, done by DIN switches?
There's little switches on there. Yeah. You can see. Yeah. Sorry, I can't reach the camera to focus.
Yeah, I can see them.
Yeah, and similarly, I'm not sure how this one's actually set up at the moment.
Well, if it's anything like John's, I mean, the quality of that is absolutely superb. It really is.
Well, that's the receiver. It's got 2 sound channels as well. It's 6 and 6.5 megs.
Yeah.
And the good thing is the price. Very, very cheap.
Yeah. How much of that?
Well,
for the kit.
No, they come ready built.
Yeah. Okay, but
I don't know the exact price yet. I mean, basically, I've been in touch on the phone and by emailing with this G1MFG who's doing them, and he just says that it's the home of Europe's cheapest ATV transmitters and receivers. There's a matching set of boards. These are the 13 SEMS ones, but there is another pair on the way which are 23 SEMS.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I honestly don't know, so don't quote me on this, but I think we're looking in the order of £100 for the pair.
Yeah, because you probably about that price that you pay from RS for one of those others, but then you've got to do the work on the
Yeah, well, this is all in. You know, it's completely self-contained.
Well, if it's anything like John's is absolutely fabulous. What are you going to use for an antenna? Sorry about this, Dave.
Well, temporarily, just for doing the trials on this, because it's just for a review anyway, he sent me a couple of these things which screw straight onto the modules. But I've lost it. There it is. I've got to finish this off and get it up there.
Yeah. Now I don't know, but Ivor's got one of the group's toners. Maybe you want to try that to. I don't know whether that's available or not, but there was a spare toner going around, so whether you want to...
I don't know anywhere that you can... I mean, I haven't got any magazines with them in, but I'm not sure of anywhere that actually sells 13 SEMS beams now.
Well, toner do, right? They do them, and that's the one with the box on the back, yeah?
Yeah, they're very expensive though, aren't they?
They're about £70 odd, yeah?
Yeah.
The other thing is JVL do them, but again, that's another... expensive price, but does Sandpiper do something in 13? I'm not quite sure.
I'm not sure. I mean, what I'm planning on doing
I don't think Sandpiper does it, but the boys have sent away to America. So it looked like the same kit as you got there, Bry.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear you talking, you're on into carrier, like just upstairs now. Yeah, they sent away for a couple of kits. Transmit and receive.
Yeah, I'll come back and leave you. Yeah, they're American, well actually made in Taiwan, but it's an American company that makes these. I've got all the technical information on them. No, for the aerial, I'm going to put this up. It's going to be a bit of a bodge, but there's enough length left on the back of this for me to bolt it straight to the mast. So it's only going to be, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 elements, you know, plus the reflector and the dipole, which I've got ready made up here somewhere to go on it. There's something else that's got buried on the bench. And I bought some satellite cable at the rally, so some of the better quality satellite cable. So hopefully if I can get the 10 gig